Here we discuss about second normal form and third normal form. First we discuss about second normal form. Second, there we have given a table, customer detail, a purchase detail, in which we check two conditions for second normal form. First we check this is in first normal form or not. Second we check the non functional key, purchase location is there is a non functional key, attribute is fully functional, depend on a primary key or not. There is no primary key, there is a customer id and store id is a composite primary key. And key attribute, purchase location is only depend on store id, so there is it is in not second normalization form. To convert second normal form, we divide this table in two tables. First one have two, customer id and store id. Second one is a store id and purchase location. There we show how to convert this purchase. One is table purchase, execute. This one is in this customer id and store id, there is no primary key, these are both of composite primary key. Customer and store, another table we create. Table store, in this store id is a primary key and purchase location is a key attribute that is fully depend on store id. And by the way, store id, we can find out customer id. By the help of customer id we check store id and find the purchase location. There we make two tables, table store and table purchase, to make a second normalization form. Next, third normalization form. For third normalization form, we have created a table. Table name is purchase detail. Another table is a purchase detail. There is a table purchase detail. Here we put some values in this. We have already make purchase detail table. Select this one. Here we discuss about third normalization form. To third normalization, first we check it is in second normal form or not. First normal form, there is it is in first normal form, there is a it is not in second normal form because there is not any primary key. To change, oh sorry, this is in second. We have another one is book detail. Detail to execute. For third normalization form, there is a book id, genre id, genre type. First we check it is in first normalization form or not. This is in first normalization form. Next is it is in second normal form or not. No, this is not in second normal form because there is no primary key. There is a key attribute. And third normalization, we check there is no transitive function dependency, but there is a transitive dependency exists because book id determine genre id and genre id determine genre types. There for there have a transitive dependency because table a book id depend on genre and genre depend id depend on genre type. To remove this transitive functional dependency, we have make two tables. There we have already make two tables. Their name is, first one is table book, this one, book id. Book id is a primary key there. Book id is primary key. And genre id is a another for genre and price. These are in genre id, book id. Another table we to remove transitive, we there is no transitive book id, genre id or price. There another table will be table genre. Genre id and genre type. Genre id is a primary key and grading type. Genre type is defined. This is grading, this is sports, this is travel, etc. There it is in second normal form, because this is primary key and this is fully functional. Genre type is fully functional on this and no transitive, then it is in third normal form. That's all.